Hello, my fellow veterans. Sam Kim here, your Marine Corps veteran who's turned VA battles into victories, going from 0 to 100%, mastering the AI VA claims process. Welcome back to the VA Claims Bootcamp. Today we're going to talk about something might sound counterintuitive. Why 0% ratings are easy wins, and how nailing a direct line to service connection is your secret weapon for claiming victory. If you ever gotten a 0% and felt defeated, or if you're building your claims now, stick with me. This could change everything. Let's dive in and turn on those zeros into heroes. First up, why are 0% ratings easy wins? Look, a 0% doesn't mean no benefits. It means the VA agrees your condition is service connected, but it's not severe enough right now for compensation. That's huge. It's an official stamp. Yes, this started in service, and once connected, it's a foundation you can build on. Easy win, because these are often straightforward claims with low barriers like tinnitus or scars that meet criteria but don't impair daily life yet. Submit solid evidence and voila! Service connection is established without the need for a fight or a higher percentages. Service connection is established without the need for a fight over higher percentages. A 0% open doors. It qualifies you for VA healthcare for that condition. No co-pays. It could be increased later if symptoms worsen. File a supplemental claim with new evidence. And best of all, it unlocks secondaries. That 0% back pain. Now claim radiculopathy or depression as secondary, boosting your overall rating. I've seen vets go from 0 to 1 condition to 50% plus by layering on a connected issues. It's not a 0, it's your entry point into more wins. And speaking of wins, let me confess my epic fail that ultimately became a valuable lesson. I didn't realize 0% could be upgraded later and neglected for almost 25 years after I got out of the Marine Corps. Picture this, a boot camp in that scorching hot summer from August to September, and DIs were playing these excruciating games with water canteens, overhydrated to mess with us recruits. Drink up, maggots, they'll yell, and next thing you know, my bladder's busted from all that forced hydration torture. I got a 0% overactive bladder and thought, 0 means zilch, why bother, right? 25 years ago. Big mistake. I finally upgraded from a 0 to 60%, but imagine the back pay I left on the table. It could be over several $100,000 in benefits, right? That could pay for a house in some states, folks, or a sweet boat, or heck, a life supply of adult diapers. I was completely unaware of the claims process, and every tick of the talk meant lost VA pay. Don't make my mistake. Every second you're not upgrading those hidden 0%, you're flushing cash down the toilet. Literally, in my case. So, how do you uncover these hidden gems? Create or log into your VA accounts through ID.me. It's secure and easy. If you don't have one, visit va.gov, click sign in, and select ID.me to select your account. Verify your identity with your DD-214 or other documents. They'll guide you. Once in, go to My VA, then Disability, or track claims to view your ratings. Boom! Scan for the 0% you might have not even known about. I bet some of you have a bunch sitting there waiting to be upgraded that you didn't even know about. To determine which ones to prioritize, refer to the worksheet and checklist included in this lesson. Print it out, list out your rating conditions, and audit. Does it have worsening symptoms? Gather new evidence, such as recent diagnosis or treatment records. For my bladder saga, I showed direct connection. Boot camp event, overhydration games, got a body statement for that circus, current urology diagnosis, and history of frequent trips to the head. Upgraded to 60%, and yes, back pay, though not the full 25 years since I didn't file sooner. Now, how does a direct line of service connection help you with claims? This is where we break the circumstantial death trap as we discussed previously. Direct means a transparent, unbroken chain from your service to your condition. No maybes. Using a winning formula, it is in-service event plus diagnosis plus treatment history plus nexus. When it's direct, like a documented injury in your service records, VA approvals are faster and easier. No endless requests for proof, no denials for weak links. Think of it like this. Circumstantial is a winding road of potholes, delays, and denials. Direct is a straight highway to benefits. For that 0% scar, direct. Service record of the wound plus current diagnosis equals easy service connection. Build on it for painful scars later. Or tinnitus. Direct MOS exposure on the DD-214 plus audiology test equals 10% win, even if you're starting low. Let me give you examples. Vet A claims knee pain circumstantially. Patrols probably did it, denied, weak nexus. Vet B goes on a direct service record of jump injury plus x-ray diagnosis plus brace history plus nexus letter. Proved at 10%. The secondaries for the hip pain pushed to 40%. Easy win, right? Another 0% for hypertension under Agent Orange presumptive. Direct exposure link means no fight, just approval, paving the way for the heart issue secondary. To make yours direct, use our tools. Audit your claims with the worksheet. Flag circumstantial and strengthen your buddy statements, nexus letters, or records. Hunt those receipts like we discussed. Service treatment notes, late testimony if words are missing. The direct line avoids a trap. Gets you that initial connection even at 0% and sets up massive upgrades for later. Vets, don't miss the 0%. It's your foothold. Always aim for direct connections to win big. Download the audit sheet, fill it out, review your list, and let's make those claims unstoppable. You've earned this. Stay strong. Hoorah! I'll see you on the next lesson.